Ann Klein, Chesterfield Smith Professor at the University of Florida Levin College of Law. I am the author of Property, Cases, Problems, and Skills. I believe this casebook distinguishes itself because of its rich array of pedagogical features. As an entry point to each doctrinal area, call-out boxes give students a concise overview of the relevant rules and doctrine, a place to start their analysis. This frees up precious class time for applying the rules and for digging deeper into the policies, ambiguities, and tensions underlying each rule. Most doctrinal call-out boxes are followed by a series of problems that allow students to test their understanding of the rules. Next, each chapter features a range of cases that mix fresh, recent decisions with traditional favorites. A reading guide introduces each case and places it into the broader context of the chapter. Post-case notes are kept to a minimum and do the work of deepening the student's understanding of the case, providing practice pointers, and/or presenting problems that allow students to apply the rule of the case to a variety of factual situations. One of my favorite aspects of this casebook is each chapter's Beyond the Black Letter discussion problem. Each discussion problem focuses on a current problem or issue that does not clearly fit within existing property law. Topics include the sharing economy, cyber squatting, mobile apps for city parking, climate change and real estate bubbles, drones, urban agriculture, and others. Another one of my favorite pedagogical features is the skills practice exercise that appears in each chapter. The teacher's manual contains detailed suggestions as to how you can use each exercise with a large group of students during a single class session. Skills include fact-based, law-based, and policy-based legal analysis, client-related skills, drafting exercises, and negotiations. The text also contains numerous property documents with focused questions to encourage the students to read those documents carefully. Examples include a lease, a contract for the purchase of real property, a general warranty deed, and an easement agreement. In addition, the text contains dozens of diagrams, charts, and photographs to make the book engaging to visual learners. Finally, each chapter ends with a review section with multiple choice and/or essay questions. Answers are provided in the casebook appendix, so students can use this feature for self-assessment. Beyond these pedagogical features that I just mentioned, I believe this casebook distinguishes itself through the way it conceptualizes property. It employs 4 themes to encourage students to think deeply about property as a unified and intellectually challenging discipline. The text begins with the familiar bundle of rights metaphor, which emphasizes the all-important right to exclude others. Unlike many other texts, however, this book also invites students to ponder the interrelationship of one bundle of rights with another and how numerous bundles weave together into the rich tapestry of human relationships that form the basis of property. The second theme is the importance of place. In many cases, property might be simply a fungible commodity like books or widgets, important to the owner primarily because of its market value. But in many other instances, people value their property as a place capable of fostering personhood and community interactions. Also, because property law is primarily state law, it can vary significantly from place to place. To remind students of these multiple roles of place, each chapter opens with a map of the cases considered in that chapter. Just passing through is the third theme, which raises the issue of dead-hand control and the accommodation of the rights and desires of both present and future generations. The final theme, A Changing World, highlights the tension between society's need for stable, predictable property rights and its need to respond to changing physical conditions, including such things as sea level rise, and changing social conditions, such as the recognition of same-sex marriage. Beyond the text itself, the companion website contains an electronic teacher's manual that briefs every case and answers every question that appears in the book. In addition, I'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have, and especially to serve as a resource for those of you who might be new to the teaching of property law. I've been teaching property for 20 years, and I find it to be one of the most engaging courses in the law school curriculum. I hope that you enjoy using this book as much as I have enjoyed writing it. Thank you.